Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. This is the first video of the year 20 Jordan, and we're back with part 2 of Recession Proof. Okay. Shout out to the brother Nas who dropped that song, Recession Proof. One of the most heartfelt lines in there was he said, "Ain't nobody recession proof. Invest in you. That's what's best to do." So we're going to talk about the last 3 recessions we've had and how some of these recession proof stocks fared under those circumstances. Okay? So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Turn on your post notifications so you can know when I come back with new content. Make sure you tell your family and friends so they can get down with the team. And most importantly, look for that $500 giveaway on this channel. Make sure you follow the steps in that video so you could possibly win that $500 and get in the game with that if you're not already in the game. Okay, so we are going to go back into time and deal with these different stock tickers and how they perform. Now, I may not mention all of them, but all of them will be listed in the description below. So what we're going to look at is the last 3 recessions we've had, the timetable that those recessions lasted, how these stocks performed versus the major indices, okay? And when I say major indices, we're talking about the SPY, S&P 500, ticker symbol SPY, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, ticker symbol DIA, the Russell 2000, ticker symbol IWM, and of course, the nasty NASDAQ, ticker symbol QQQ. Okay, so we're going to start with the 2001 recession. The 2001 recession went from March of 2001 till November of 2001. Okay, the major indices, all 4 of them, performed at negative 15.20%, while this portfolio performed at 1.08%. So nothing to write home about, no big numbers, yet the major indices fell 15%, while this portfolio advanced 1%. Okay, some of the best performers were INGR up 24%, UNH up 21%, STZ up 19%, Hormel up 18%, JNJ up 17%, Walmart up 14%, okay, Procter & Gamble up 12%, ABT up 10%, General Mills up 9.54%. So you see, it's not, you're not necessarily making a whole lot of money, yet the major indices fell 15%. So if you came out with positive 9%, that's pretty damn good. Okay, that was the 2001 recession. Okay, the 2008 recession, the major indices fell 33.74%. Oh, let me backtrack. The 2008 recession is 2008 into 2009. So this is the longest one out of the 3 that I researched. Okay, so this was from December of 2007 until June of 2009. And during that time frame, the major indices lost 33.74%. Okay. Unfortunately, this wasn't too good for even these recession-proof stocks because they fell 25.59%. Now, that's bad, yet it's better than the major indices. There was one sole winner out of the recession-proof stocks, and that was Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, which went up 1.91%. Okay, last but not least, okay, the 2020 recession. This might be the shortest because this went from the 3rd of February until the 30th of April, okay? The major indices were down 11.5%, where this portfolio went down 6.53%, okay? Some of the killer names that outperformed was TDOC, ticker symbol TDOC, up 61.38%. Look at it now. General Mills up 13%, UNH up 6%, Walmart up 6%, ABT 5%, Kraft Heinz up 4%, and remember back in the days in the projects, Campbell Soup was up 2%, okay, Pfizer 2%, and Costco up 1/3%. So as you can see, there wasn't really no major home runs, yet each and every one of the last 3 recessions was outpaced to the upside by, or I should just say outpaced, and necessarily to the upside. Some lost less than the major indices during that time. So, you know, depending on what happens in this year, or if we get this recession or whatever, if it gets ugly, if you got money in the market, if you got a 401k, you might want to consider putting your money in some of these recession-proof stocks. Again, they're all going to be listed below in the description, all the ones that were covered for this study, okay? If you know of a recession-proof stock, go ahead and leave me a comment in there on that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I will the best for everybody for the new year on this Gregorian calendar. Make sure you get your money up, get your mind right, stay focused, seize the day, seize the time. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.